Hey crafty friends, today I'm crafting a felt snowy owl using dies from Spellbinders. This new die set is from the Felt Stitch and Create set collection, and these dies are bigger and come with everything to make an adorable owl. You have 2 head pieces, 2 body pieces, the face, wings, and some fun flowers. I'm going to be using felt today, but you can use these dies on paper. The main DMC thread colors I have used for this are 742, 3051, 3865, 648, and 815. You can of course use any brand of thread or colors that you would like that match with the thread or paper that you are choosing to use. I have pre-cut the pieces today, and I have the 2 head pieces, one for the front, one for the back. I cut out 2 body pieces and 2 of each set of the wings. There's 1 gray piece each for the face and the body. The felt that I'm using is from Amazon, but Spellbinders does sell felt that coordinates with these dies if you'd like to grab some when you're shopping for the die. I will also be using tapestry needles in number 24 size. Starting with the head, I lined up the holes of the head with the gray face piece and used the white thread for this and tied the thread in a knot after the first stitch to secure the thread. I'm using a simple back stitch today, but another stitch you prefer might work just fine. I'm splitting the bunch of thread down to 3 strands. I find that it creates the perfect thickness for stitching felt, and I use 2 when stitching with paper. I continue with the back stitching until the gray piece is secured in the middle. I stitched the eyes in white as well. I did the starburst pattern first and then went around the center to create that circle around for the eye pattern. It does get a little thick and can be hard to push the needle through. I did 3 strings, but dropping down to 2 would be fine. I chose to stitch the eyes on, but you can use adhesive or hot glue if you'd prefer. I repeated everything for the other side of the face to get the second eye done. I switched then to gray thread to do the little freckle details at the top of the forehead. With the details done, it's time to stitch both the head pieces together. So once again, I used the white thread, not at the end of the first back stitch before I continued on. I went all the way around to finish. Time for the body. I will backstitch the gray piece to the front white piece using the white thread, and then I will go all the way around the outside of the white to finish the body. I did the same for the wings, and I made sure to add the gray freckles on the outer wing piece. Now that everything is stitched together, we can assemble this owl. I used liquid adhesive, but you can also stitch them on or use hot glue. I used liquid adhesive to attach the head to the body. I found the pieces were quite thick and would be hard to stitch together. I did cut out a flower in pink with green leaves and did a back stitch for those as well. I used liquid adhesive to attach the leaves and the flower to the top corner of the head. Orange feet were glued together and then glued to the body. I think this part got messy and I really wish I'd had hot glue to use instead. I decided that I wanted to turn this into a card. So I found some pink plaid pattern paper and cut it down to A2 size and adhered the owl to the center with liquid adhesive. I had this glitter foil sentiment from Spellbinders that I thought would work well. Welcome, baby! What do you think? Does this make a good baby shower card? I attached the sentiment to the front of the card using liquid adhesive. I avoided using the foam tape that I normally use since the card is already pretty thick, and if you want to send it, it might get a little thick in the mail. To finish the card, I adhered the whole thing to a white A2 size card base, and voila! You have yourself a stitched snowy owl and a new card. I will have links in the description if you would like to purchase the supplies I have used. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a like. Also click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any crafty content. Thanks for watching and have a crafty day. Bye!